Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work out exercise 5 from the Excel book, page number 24. Before starting your lesson, please like the video, and if you are new viewer or new student, please subscribe to the channel to not miss the upcoming video, and please write a comment below to support the channel. Let's get started. Question number 1. Question number 1. We have 2x plus 4 equal to 10. We should find the value of x. Solve this for x. So we here write 2x equal to 10. And we bring 4 to the right side of the equation. It becomes negative minus 4. Then 2x equal to 10 minus 4 remains 6. We divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x. Here we have 2. Then we simplify 2 by 2 and only remain x equal to 1 times of 2 is 2, 3 times of 2 is 6. So x equal to 3. This is the value of x. Question number 4, so I erase this one. Question number 2, we write 4x here as itself equal to 1, and we carry 5 to the right side of the equation, become negative minus 5. Then 4x is equal to 5 minus 1 remain only minus 4. Because the bigger one is negative, we take the sign from bigger one. It means minus 5 plus 1 remain only minus 4. Now we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Here simplify, only remain x equal to 1 times of 4, and 1 times of 4 is 4. The answer is minus 1. Question number 3, we write here 12x as itself. It's equal to minus 32, and we carry minus 8 to the right side, become positive plus 8. Keep in mind that all the times when we carry one term or one number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, its sign change from negative to positive and from positive to negative. So here 12x equal to, here we subtract minus 32 plus 8 remain only minus 24. Now we divide both sides of the equation. Here x remain way right must here. Okay, now we divide by 12. So x is equal to minus 24 divided by 2 give us minus, divided by 12 give us minus 2. 1 times of 12 is 12. 2 times of 12 is 24. Remain minus as itself. So x is equal to minus 2. Question number 4, we write here 15x equal to minus 41, and we carry the right side, become positive plus 11. Then we write here 15x equal to, we here subtract minus 41 plus 11, become minus 30. We divide both sides of the equation by 15. The coefficient of x is 15 as well. We divide the right side. Here simplify, only remain x equal to negative divided by positive give us negative. 1 times of 15 is 15. 2 times of 15 is 30. So x is equal to minus 2. Question number 5. First we multiply here. As well you can divide both sides of the equation. The answer is the same. So first I divide both sides of the equation by 2. Here we simplify directly, remain only x plus 3 equal to 1 times of 2 is 2, 5 times of 2 is 10 equal to 5. Then we carry plus 3 to the right side, become negative. X is equal to 5 minus 3. Then x is equal to 5 minus 3 become 2. This is the answer. Question number 6. Here as well, first we can divide both sides of the equation by 5. We simplify by 5, only remain x minus 2 equal to 1 times of 5 is 5, 6 times of 5 is 30. So x equal to 6. We bring this minus 2 become positive plus 2. So x is equal to 6 plus 2 become 8. This is the answer. Question number 7. Question number 7, we write here minus x equal to 4. We carry this 5 to the right side, become negative minus 5. So here remain minus x equal to minus 5 plus 4 become minus 1. We divide both sides by minus 1. So here x is equal to negative divided by negative, give us plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Question number 8. In question number 8, we bring x to the left side, become positive, x is equal to 3. And we bring 9 to the right side, become a negative minus 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 3, remain only minus 6. This is the answer. Question number 12. As well, we carry minus x to the right side, it become positive. X is equal to 2. And we carry 12 to the right side, become negative minus 12. So here x is equal to 12 minus 12 plus 2, remain only minus 10. This is the answer. Question number 10. First, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. Here directly we simplify, remain only 6 minus 3. X equal to 6 divided by 2 give us 3. 1 times of 2 is 2, 3 times of 2 is 6. Then we keep here minus 3 as itself, it's equal to 3, and we bring the 6 to the right side, become negative minus 6. Then we have 3 minus 3x is equal to, we subtract here minus 6 plus 3, remain only minus 3. Now we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x. Here we have minus 3. As well the right side divide by minus 3. Here we simplify, only remain x equal to minus divided by minus become positive. 3 divided by 3 give us 1. So the answer is equal to 1. Question number 11. Question number 11 as well. First, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. Here simplify 1 times of 3 and 1 times of 3 only remains 6 minus 2x, sorry. Minus 2x equal to 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. 1 times of 3 is 3, 4 times of 3 is 12 here. Then we write minus 2x is equal to 4, and we carry 6 to the right side, become negative minus 6. Then we have minus 2 is equal to minus 2. We subtract here, remain only minus 2. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 2. And here we simplify. X is equal to 1. This is the answer. Question number 12. First, I erase this part. Here as well, first we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Directly we simplify 4 by 4, just remain only 2 minus x equal to 1 times of 4 is 4, 4 times of 4 is 16 equal to 4. Then we keep here minus x equal to 4, and we carry this 2 to the right side, become negative minus 2. Then minus x is equal to, we subtract the right side here, remain only 2. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 1. Here we simplify, just only remain x equal to 2 divided by minus 1 equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Question number 13. Question number 13, first divided by 6. However, you can also first multiply here. 6 times of 18 is 6 times of 3 is 18. 6 times of 3 is 18 minus 6 times of x is 6x equal to 24. The answer is the same. It means this method is with the previous method. There is no difference or change. The answer is the same. So here we write minus 6x equal to 24. Then we carry 18 to the right side, become negative minus 18. Here we write minus 6x equal to, we subtract here equal to 6. Then we divide by minus 6 both sides of the equation. Here x is equal to as well as negative, so equal to minus 1. This is the answer of question number 13. And question number 14 is the last question in this exercise. First we multiply. 3 times of x is 3x minus 3 times of 5 is 15 equal to minus 13. Then we have 3x is equal to minus 13, and we bring this minus to the right side, become positive plus 15. So here we have 3x, this one is positive. X is equal to, here we subtract minus 13 plus 15, remain only 2. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 3. Here is x is equal to 2 over 3. This is the answer. Okay, this exercise is finished. Thank you for watching. Please like